Hello kids, hope you are all well. In this video we are going to make a volcano. So let's start. Place a plastic glass in a tray. Fill the glass 2/3 with water. Then add 1 or 2 drops of food coloring, or you can use a paint. Then add the dishwash soap into the water. Now add 4 to 6 tablespoons of baking soda and stir well to combine. Now add vinegar and enjoy the eruption. To change color, add another color of paint or food coloring and mix well. You know, this eruption is the result of a chemical reaction between the baking soda and vinegar. And in this reaction, the carbon dioxide gas is produced. Pressure builds up inside the plastic glass until the gas bubbles out of the volcano.